Hey there. Thanks for calling Tom's Plumbing Solution. My name is Suzee. How can I help you today?
Hey Suzee, how's it going? I have this really annoying leak in my sink, and I just need someone to come out and take a look at it.
Oh no, that does sound annoying. We're currently closed, but I'd be happy to help set up an appointment for you. What day and time would work best for you? And could I also get the address where you need the service?
Sure. I was thinking maybe September 15th around 11 a.m. and the address would be 123 Main Street in Atlanta.
Got it. September 15th at 11 a.m. and the address is 123 Main Street in Atlanta. Perfect. Could I just get your name and phone number as well?
Sure. Name is John Smith and my phone number is 770-881-1234.
Thanks, John. I'm just double checking our availability for that time. I'll confirm in just a moment. All right, John, you're all set for Monday, September 15th at 11 a.m. We'll come by 123 Main Street to take a look at that leak. Anything else you'd like me to note or any other concerns you have about the sink?
No, that'll be it.
Great. We'll see you on the 15th. If anything comes up, just give us a call. Thanks again for reaching out and have a great day.
Awesome. Thank you, Suzee.
My pleasure, John. Take care.